to Canvi Vlogs. మనకైతే వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ మనం రీచ్డ్ వచ్చేసి 3K. So then we will cut the cake today of the 3K. Okay, so thank you for 3K. Really, I don't know I'll reach 3K. Next you need to support me like this only forever. You should make me to reach even 1 lakh. Okay, let's cut the cake.